Hello, friends! Welcome back to Quiz Cow, your go-to place for fun and exciting brain challenges. Today, we've prepared a special Find the Odd One Out quiz, where you'll test your observation skills. We have 3 levels designed to push your ability to spot differences and think fast. There are 40 unique puzzles, and you'll have 10 seconds per question to find the correct answer. But before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's jump in. Round 1. Which one is different? Wow, it's right here! Round 2. Can you spot the odd letter? Amazing! It's here! Round 3. Which emoji is the correct one? A or B? A, with the super yummy yellow cheese. Round 4. Find the letter that doesn't belong. Great choice! It's here! Round 5. What number is hidden in this picture? Incredible! It's 678. Round 6. Which number is the odd one? Number 7. You nailed it! Round 7. Which letter doesn't match the others? Awesome! It's J. Round 8. Which number is missing from 1 to 10? Number 9. Fantastic! Round 9. Spot the different number. Yes, number 2. Round 10. Which color is different? Excellent! It's C. Round 11. Which pumpkin emoji is correct? A or B? Bravo! The answer is B. Round 12. Can you find the odd number? It's 13. Well done. Round 13. Which letter stands out? Yes, it's right here. You got it. Round 14. Can you guess the character? Fantastic! It's Sonic. Round 15. Which group is different? B is the correct answer. You're doing great. Round 16. Spot the odd among the mix of numbers. Great job! Here's what you found. Round 17. Guess the correct shape of this letter. Wow! It's a letter G with a dinosaur font. Round 18. Which logo is different? Yes, this one looks a little off. Round 19. Can you spot the unique letter? Awesome! Here's the unusual letter. Round 20. Can you find the letter H in this picture? You got it! Here's the odd H. Round 21. Find the number that doesn't match. Sharp eyes! Here's the odd number. Round 22. Which letter stands out? That's right! It's the letter E. Round 23. Identify the letter that doesn't fit. Well spotted! Here's the odd letter. Round 24. Which letter breaks the pattern? Fantastic! Here's the tricky one. Round 25. Solve the emoji riddle to get a number. Clever thinking. The answer is 80. Round 26. Stay sharp. Find the odd number. You nailed it! The odd number is 33. Round 27. Can you spot the odd letter? Yes, it's the letter Q. Well done! Round 28. What color is missing in the Google logo? That's it! The correct answer is D. Round 29. Locate the Google logo in this pattern. Bingo! Here's the Google logo. Round 30. Spot the logo that stands out. Yes, this one is a little different. Round 31. Remember the letter positions. Where is B? Impressive memory. B is in position 4. Round 32. Can you see the different one? You got it! The odd letter O is hitting right here. Round 33. How about this challenge? Super sharp! Here it is! Round 34. Where is the odd letter? Nicely done! It's the letter Y with no mouth. Round 35. What number should replace the question mark? Smart thinking! The answer is 88. Round 36. Spot the different letter. Yes! The odd letter S is right here. Round 37. Which letter is unique? You got it! The odd letter is E. Round 38. Which color is different? Great eye! Number 6 is a different color. Round 39. Can you identify the odd number here? Perfect. Here's the answer. Round 40. Do you see the hidden letter N? Sharp vision. Here's the answer. That was an intense challenge. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. We want to see who the top puzzle solvers are. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new challenges. We have plenty more exciting games coming your way, so stay tuned. Want to keep going? Click on the next video and test your skills with another fun challenge. See you in the next one.